All right, LJ, pop quiz. Can you tell me what brand this is?
I can't remember.
Damn it, LJ. It's CGR Giannassi. They've been making heavy-duty replacement parts since 1927.
Whoa, they're almost as old as you are.
You need to spend less time making jokes and more time trying to know your products.
I don't even know why I have to learn this stuff anyway.
The more you know, the better you can help your customer.
How do you remember all this?
Well, it takes time. But you also have to care and be proud of where you work. At ACT, we dyno test every component to be sure it meets OEM specs. Not every shop does that.
Okay. All right, Jared. Give me another.
What's this?
FML?
Almost. FMC.
They're the ones that are always stressed?
Not quite. They're designed for long performance and reliability.
I bet you wish you were made of FMC parts.
Why?
I've heard you aren't reliable and your performance barely lasts 2 minutes.
Damn it, LJ, get back here.